Everyone thinks the best-selling pure vanilla extract is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Watkins All-Natural Original. Let's kick things off with the Watkins All-Natural Original Gourmet Baking Vanilla. Priced at $11.33, this one definitely caught my eye with its bestseller badge and over 76,800 reviews. If you want a reliable, high-quality vanilla for your baking, this is worth a serious look. The concentrated blend is perfect for baking and can even withstand freezing. No artificial colors or flavors here, which is key because you want the real deal in your recipes. Plus, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and corn syrup-free, making it a solid choice for many dietary needs. With a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that a lot of bakers trust this product. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about baking, paying a little more for quality can make a huge difference in taste and texture. It's all about getting that rich, authentic vanilla flavor. This is perfect for you if you're a home baker looking to elevate your desserts with genuine flavor. Skip this one if you're just experimenting and don't want to invest yet. For its quality, it's a worthwhile purchase. Now, if the price of the Watkins vanilla bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its value. Product number 2, Watkins All-Natural Original 8FL. Oz. Next up, we have the Watkins All-Natural Original Gourmet Baking Vanilla in an 8FL Oz bottle for about $8.24. It's the same trusted brand, and what really drew me in was its consistent quality and rave reviews. If you want a great vanilla without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This vanilla extract also boasts pure ingredients and a concentrated formula, which means you're getting that sweet, rich flavor you crave. The fact that it's gluten-free and contains no artificial additives is huge for those conscious about their health. It's rated 4.6 stars, and with over 76,800 reviews, you know it's a favorite among bakers. However, some users mention that it might not have as strong a flavor as some premium brands. But honestly, for everyday baking, this still delivers a solid vanilla taste that enhances your recipes without overpowering them. This is perfect for you if you enjoy baking regularly but don't want to spend too much. Skip this one if you're hosting a fancy dinner and need something more gourmet. For the price, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a unique twist on vanilla. Product number 3, Vanilla Molina Mexican Vanilla Blend. At number 3, we have the Vanilla Molina Mexican Vanilla Blend, a 2-pack offering 16.6 FL Oz for about $10.86. This one caught my attention because it promises to enhance not just desserts but even savory dishes. If you want something a little different to spice up your recipes, this might be the perfect pick. What makes this vanilla special is its use of pure real vanilla from Mexico, known for its smooth and rich flavor profile. It's versatile enough to enhance not just your cakes and cookies, but also meats and beverages, which is honestly surprising. Rated at 4.7 stars with 8,400 reviews, it seems to be a hidden gem for many cooks. Now, some might find the flavor too unique if they prefer traditional vanilla. Here's the thing though, if you're open to experimenting in the kitchen and want to add depth to your dishes, this could be a delightful choice. This is perfect for you if you love trying new flavors in your cooking and baking. Skip this one if you only want classic vanilla for your recipes. For 2 bottles, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something organic without any additives, our next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Watkins Organic Pure Vanilla. Coming in at number 4, we have Watkins Organic Pure Vanilla Alcohol-Free Flavoring, priced at $11.58 for a 2FL Oz bottle. I was intrigued by its organic certification. For those of you who prioritize health and natural ingredients, this is worth considering. This product is made with all naturally derived ingredients and is USDA certified organic. While it's not as potent as traditional vanilla extracts, it's perfect for anyone seeking an alcohol-free alternative. With a solid 4.6-star rating and over 76,800 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with this choice. That said, some users noted that the flavor isn't as concentrated, which might not satisfy every baker's needs. This is perfect for you if you're after an organic, alcohol-free vanilla option. Skip this if you need a strong vanilla flavor for serious baking. For health-conscious bakers, it's a great find. Finally, if you're looking for something that truly stands out in flavor complexity, you won't want to miss our last product. Product number 5, Nielsen Massey Madagascar Bourbon. Last but definitely not least is the Nielsen Massey Madagascar Bourbon Pure Vanilla Extract, a 4FL Oz bottle priced at $18.94. This one has a stellar reputation among chefs, and it's easy to see why. If you want to take your baking to the next level, this is a must-try. This extract is known for its rich, layered flavor that's creamy and smooth. Sourced from Madagascar, its quality is unmatched. Family-owned for over a century, Nielsen Massey is trusted by both professional chefs and home bakers alike. With a whopping 4.8-star rating and 15,300 reviews, it's praised for its true-to-bean taste and maximum extraction process, which means you get all the natural flavors without any artificial additives. On the downside, the price is higher than most, which some might find off-putting. But I'll be real with you, if you're passionate about baking and want the best flavor in your desserts, this investment is truly worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious baker looking for that gourmet touch in your recipes. Skip this if you're just starting out and want something more budget-friendly. Considering its quality, it's worth every penny. So there you have it. We've covered the Watkins All-Natural Original 8FL Oz Vanilla Molina Mexican Vanilla Blend, Watkins Organic Pure Vanilla, and Nielsen Massey Madagascar Bourbon. Each one has its strengths, whether you're looking for budget-friendly, organic, or gourmet vanilla. Choose the one that best fits your baking style, and happy baking.